Hello, this is my first video. Hope you will like it. In WP Gossip channel, I will be sharing everything about WordPress. So please don't miss to watch any video and subscribe the channel. In this video, I will show you how to display related posts by category in WordPress without installing any plugin. I will provide you essential guide and code that will help you to show custom related post by category. So please follow every step to add a beautiful related post in your WordPress theme. Step 1. Add related post algorithm in your theme. So first create a template parts folder in your theme directory. Here I have already created a template parts folder in my theme directory. So I'll jump to next step, that is creating a related posts.php file inside the folder. Now inside related post.php file, we will add some PHP code that will sort other posts based on the category of current post and display the post as related post. You can access the code to copy from my blog. Check the description for the link. Let's explain the code. WP get post categories will retrieve the list of categories, whereas post this post variable will contains a lot of data of the content of the current post, and here we are getting ID of the post. Category in display posts that have categories retrieved by WP get post categories. Post per page. Post per page is 3. That means 3 related posts will appear in your website. You can increase or decrease the number. Post not in. Here you should remember that there should be double underscore between post and not. Post not in will exclude post not to retrieve. Here we have passed the post ID inside the array. That means we are not going to display current post in related post section. we are using custom query. That's why related variable has been used here. This code will display related posts as per the code written earlier. This will retrieve feature image of every post and display thumbnail as well. In the next step, we are going to add related posts below every WordPress post. In this step, we will load the related post algorithm code to single.php file to generate and display related posts below every post. Let's see whether our code is working or not. Open your website and click on a post. Scroll down, you will see related post with thumbnail listed. Let's scroll down. Here we go. This content is written in Nepali language, so don't get amazed. Now, your CSS code according to class name, but I will leave this task for you. Hope this video has helped you to add related post in your website. If you like this video, then subscribe and hit the bell icon.